In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Microsoft Loop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a Loop page into a clean PDF you can share or archive. Start by opening your browser and going to the Microsoft Loop page on the Microsoft site. From there, click the Microsoft Loop button to launch the app in your browser. If you already know the direct address for Loop on the web, you can use that as well. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Microsoft 365 account to continue. Once Loop opens, choose the workspace where your content lives. In the example you're seeing, the workspace is labeled Test, but in your case, it will be the workspace you normally use with your team. Click into that workspace to view its pages and content. Next, open the specific page you want to export. Again, the example shows a page named Test Page, but you should select the actual page that contains the information you need. Make sure everything on the page looks the way you want it to appear in the PDF, expand any collapsed sections, and confirm images and components are visible. Now look to the upper right corner of the page for the three-dot menu. This is where Loop keeps additional options. Click the three dots to open the menu. From the menu, choose Print and PDF Export. This will open your browser's print preview window, which is the gateway to exporting as a PDF. In the Print dialog, locate the destination or printer setting. Click it and select Save as PDF. Before you save, take a moment to review the preview on the right. You can adjust options like pages, all or a specific range, layout, portrait or landscape, margins, and scaling to ensure the PDF fits nicely on the page. If your content includes visuals or colors, enabling background graphics can make the PDF match your Loop page more closely. When everything looks good, click Save. Choose a folder on your computer, give the file a clear name, and confirm the save. Your Loop page is now exported as a PDF. That's it. You opened Microsoft Loop, navigated to the correct workspace and page, used the three-dot menu to access Print and PDF Export, selected Save as PDF as the destination, and saved your file. If your content spans multiple pages or includes wide tables, consider switching to landscape or reducing scale slightly for better readability. You can repeat this process for any other Loop pages you need to export and share the resulting PDFs with your team.